Hey, the history of these Corvettes, that's something that's in my blood. It goes way back with my old man. He was all General Motors all day. Chevelle, Corvettes, you name it. The man lived it. He breathed it. He ain't just passed down knowledge. He passed down that passion. And ever since I was a kid riding shotgun, or even when I got the chance to drive the Vettes back in the day, I wasn't supposed to be driving. I was 12 and 13. He'd be asleep on the passenger side, but hey, we had fun. I remember it all. He kept a Corvette from every generation up into the C5, and each one came with memories I'll never forget. Since he passed away in 2013, not a day goes by I don't feel his influence, that love, that legacy. It didn't stop with him. It lives through me. Through every car I touch, this ain't just about the cars. It's about carrying something forward, transitioning, keeping it biting.
Here you go.
Oh, yeah, yes, sir. Oh, yeah.
Red in there.
Hit the remote side now.
Yeah. Let's see now. Let's put the remote start.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
I'm gonna pull it back. I'm putting it over here by you. 6'7"?
Yeah, I told you.
Yeah, that motherfucker on speed range.
Yeah. I told you he had the convertible.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh, y'all the last ones here.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Look at sexy, boy. Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, this motherfucker nice right here, boy. Hell, baby. Oh yeah. This motherfucker clean, boy. Man, G. What year is this one?
Gotta be a 71, 72.
Oh yeah. Man, he got this bitch right, folks.
Yeah, that motherfucker right.
You know, the back, the motor, because you know with the convertibles you can't see it.
Right.
He got it where you can see it, and he did like a lot of red carbon fiber inserts in the interior, but he don't have the competition seats like you got. See, I got to get it with them. That's the GT2 or whatever what they call it. I don't know.
What? You talking about mine?
Yeah, how you got the Recaro?
I got, what's it, the LT2? I guess the LT2.
Yeah, he his is 2LT, but
What they call that,
the competition seat is like the GT2 seats or something.
Alcantara or something?
Alcantara, yeah,
Yeah. Yeah, cause my boy, he like, you got the Alcantara. I'm like,
Yeah,
what the fuck is
yeah,
that? And
yeah.
shit, he like, look at the sway. I'm like,
Yeah. That's basically what it is. But even his design is different. He got his look more like, not like my seats, but it kind of, you know what I'm saying? When you will see.
Yeah. I feel we can walk over there now.
I'm about to go grab, can't have like some drink.
Okay.
Yeah.
What y'all got?
Something, not just a Heineken and like a Twisted Tea.
I got some pure white hen. I don't know if y'all want that.
I'm good, yeah.
All right.
You know me,
All right. Hey, what's up,
Excuse me, bro. Sorry about that.
Ain't no problem, though. This is yours? How you came with Brandon?
I like it.
You came? Oh, you like this one? I got that's my real one right there.
The red one over there?
Yeah. Yeah, that's my real one, yeah.
How much the red one you buy this?
Ooh,
what year?
this is a 2020. I paid like it's like 60 grand. Yeah.
Yeah, my brother he have the one that is sitting right there. 2025 some he buy.
Oh, you got a new one?
Yeah, the new one.
Yeah. Z06 or?
Yeah, I think Z06. I think he tell me 125.
Once, yeah. So he got Z06. That's the that's the top of the line. Yeah, that's top of the line. That's a lot of money. Yeah. I love them. I had that one before. That's the last body, and then I had to upgrade it to the red one. I got it a few months ago. Yeah.
Yeah, my brother he same color, this white and black. Yeah.
Yeah, and this one convertible.
Yeah.
I don't got a convertible, man. It's just like this one.
This one I like. And maybe I buy one.
Yeah.
I love him for one.
Yeah. I like them. Yeah, I love them. You know, my father, he always had them too. Before he passed away, he always had Corvettes. The last one he had was like a 1998, I think. Before he died, yeah.
Oh, before he died.
Yeah. So he had that one, and then after that it was the C5. I never had that one. Not the C5, the C6, and then the C7. That's that one.
That one.
And they call these C8.
C8.
Yeah. Yeah, they nice.
I love this one, the little bit more bigger, right?
Yeah, they wider than this one. This one kind of, a lot of people say they like this body better because it's kind of more slicker. Like it's more skinnier.
More skinny.
Yeah. It look more sportier almost because it's more. I mean, they both look sporty, you know. But these, they say, kind of look like they call them fake Lamborghinis. Kinda, yeah. You know. But I like them though. I love them a lot.
Auto.
Yeah, this.
This auto show?
Who?
Oh no, I'm asking if it's an auto. Like,
Oh no, it's just I think it's just a little vet fest. I drove mine up here. My guy, he just called me, so I was just. All right, no problem. Man.
What are you driving?
I'm in the red one right there.
Corvette.
Yeah. We all in the vest, yeah. So that's
so it's all American cars.
Yeah, I guess so. It's supposed to have been like mostly vets or whatever. I see a few Mopars out here, like a few Dodges out here. Yeah, and I see a few old school like Chevelles and shit. Yeah.
That's dope. Wait, what's the occasion? Like, what do you guys?
I don't even know. He just called me like, yeah, you know, they having like a little vet meeting over here. I think they. Everybody ain't top notch, but we top notch over here, so we use Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax for top notch vehicles like this. The link is in the description. Go ahead and get you some best soap on the market. I promise you that. I promise you. Ain't no competition when it comes to this soap. Been using it for years. So we back. Got it clean. Looking real good. Had to shine up, man. Went to the Vette show looking all dingy. The car was so dusty and shit. I'm like, I don't even ride around like that. So, best believe that won't happen again. I just want to catch a couple of the guys before they headed out. So, I'll fill you in on the car. It's a 2020 Corvette C8, of course. Z51 kit. Was trying to get the one with the magnetic ride. Couldn't find one, at least in my price range. So, I went ahead and pulled the trigger on this one. It's red, as you can see. Got the black splitter in the front. That's what kind of give it more of an aggressive look. And I really been enjoying this car. And I knew I would. I never even test drove one before. I just pulled the trigger on this one. because I already know how I get down with the Vettes. My last Vette was a C7. I ended up selling that last year. Needed the money at the time, so I said once I get back up, I'll go ahead and grab this. So I was planning to grab it in like 2026. Was gonna probably grab like a 22 or a 23. So you see, it ain't make it that far. I went ahead and grabbed it, and I needed something to hold me over while I was waiting for the Monte Carlo to get out the paint shop. So once that get back, still gotta put the seats in that and do a few more things to it, get some wheels on there. So I've been riding this in the meantime, really been enjoying this. You can see the seats, they Alcantara, clean, everything clean, man. That's how I like it. And I won't want it no other way, especially when you're spending that type of money. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it to Chevy one of these days, get this oil change, go ahead and have them check over my brake pads. I seen a little dust on the front wheels. We'll get that all taken care of. But overall, man, I'm happy with my purchase, man. I've been enjoying this thing. I'm even thinking about buying an older generation, maybe a C6, something like that, just so I can still get that feel. You know, the motor in the trunk of this one. So the engine in the front of the other ones, the steering wheel different. It's a little tighter in here also. And sometimes I just want that old feel. I like them both collectively. It's not really a Vette that I don't like, so we're gonna see. Maybe in the next couple videos, you know, don't mark my words, but you know me, I'm kind of crazy, so I'll go grab what I want. But yeah, man, I definitely been enjoying the ride. Can't wait till the Monte Carlo come back. Looking forward to that.